In this video, we'll talk about the affiliate program. We will talk about the outro. If you have questions about this, let me know. Enjoy the video. Okay, welcome to the last part of what do you need to put into your affiliate program agreement. Like in the previous parts, I show you that when you have an agreement, you have one person and you have, let's say, a company, and you need to follow the process. And when you follow the process, you will get an affiliate agreement if you meet the requirements. When you look at an agreement, you always have the intro, and then you have the body. We talked about it in the previous video. And then you have the outro. So now we're going to focus only on the outro, and I'm going to show you what's in the outro so you can get a general idea what this is about. If you have question about it, just go to the Law Center. The link is in the description. Just press the link and there you can ask me question directly. Don't be afraid. And if you want this template, what I'm going to discuss, you can just download it. Remember, I'm not going to discuss everything. I'm just going to discuss the important part of this template and things that I think, okay, you should know about it. And if you have questions, just go on the Law Center, you can ask me. The link in the description, through the link in the description, you can download it and then use it however you want. And if you have questions, you can ask me, or if you want some consultancy about how to create your affiliate program, feel free to contact me. So today we're going to talk about more about the outro. And keep in mind, when you have the outro, people need to sign, and it's important that the correct person sign. And what most people, so this is signatures, 2 signatures. Yeah, let's say you have 1, 2, and this is 1, 2. They need to sign. Yeah, there is one thing that people most time underestimate, and if you do not do it right, it can blow up. So what I mean by that is the government law. If you're in the United States, use United States, use the States. If you're another country, you need to change this. The reason why I'm saying that is because this is really important. If this is not correct, let's say you are living in Europe and you have United States here, then you need to go to the United States in order to sue someone. And the question is, do you want that? I don't think so. That's why when I see this, most time at the ending, so at the outro, I will look, okay, what's the government law and how can we deal with it? And that's something you need to keep in mind. This is the most dangerous part. Most time you see some company, they make big use of it, and the technique, I'm not going to discuss those things, but keep in mind, try to put this where your company is or where you are living. But if you have a company, for example, if you have an agreement with Twitch or other platforms, it's hard to change this. But look at where it is, because if you have a disagreement with that platform, you need to know how you can take legal actions. Because let's say you are in Europe and Twitch is in Australia, and you want to sue them. And they say, hey, if you want to sue us, you need to go through the Australia process. If you see that, you're going to be like, no, I'm not going to do that, because it's going to cost too much money. So keep that in mind. The government law is really important. And then you have other stuff here you can put at the end. And here you see an example. The owner, authorized signature, print and name. Recipient, the same thing, authorized signature, print and name. And let both parties sign. And then schedule all those other stuff, you can put it into it. Yeah. So in the witness, these are things that you can put it. These are standard things you can put into it, but this is the outro. And yeah. So if you're new to this channel, you like this kind of content, subscribe. Seriously, subscribe. It's free. It's free. You can just press the subscribe button. And if you want this template, you find the link in the description. And if you have a question, go to the Law Center. You also find this link in the description. See you next video. Bye.